Hello, I'm Robert Lunte, CEO and founder of a e-learning knowledge industry company called CourseCREEK. We have specialists that are the world's best at consulting, instructional design and development, implementation on learning management systems, and marketing of all sorts. This composition is what do LMS, SaaS clients, customers need beyond the subscription of the software? And I'll tell you real quick what they need. They need consulting, instructional design development, LMS implementation, LMS administration, marketing, automation, and a partnership like with CourseCREEK that they can rely on and call upon to fix and build anything that they need. It's not enough, as you know, obviously, to just have a subscription. You got to have somebody that will do the heavy lifting. If you're that individual, contact CourseCREEK because we will build it and design it for you. Thank you.